In my 40 years of silence, I have seen empires rise. I have seen empires fall. I have watched the horse replace the ox, the machine replace the horse, the computer replace the machine. And now, I watch something different, something that has never happened in all of human history. I watch a machine replace the human mind itself. They call it artificial intelligence. And right now, as you watch this, it is quietly doing your job better than you, faster than you, for free. Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs will disappear because of AI by 2030. That is 4 years from today. Are you ready? Most people are not, but you, after today, will be different. In ancient China, a great fire swept through a village. Farmers panicked. They ran in every direction, screaming, crying, helpless. One old farmer did not panic. He stood still, watched the fire carefully, then walked calmly to the river, brought water, saved his home, saved his family. When the chaos ended, his neighbors asked him, "How were you so calm?" He said, "I have seen fires before. Fire always burns in one direction. The man who panics runs into the fire. The man who thinks runs around it." AI is that fire. Right now, millions of people are panicking, running in every direction, doing nothing, freezing in fear. But the wise person is standing still, watching carefully, and asking the only question that matters. Which direction is this fire moving? And how do I position myself on the other side of it? Let me tell you what AI can do. It can write emails, it can write code, it can analyze data, it can design images, it can answer questions, it can drive cars, it can read X-rays. Now let me tell you what AI cannot do. It cannot feel genuine human connection. It cannot lead people through real crisis. It cannot create original ideas born from lived human experience. It cannot build real trust. It cannot love, grieve, inspire. The jobs that are dying are jobs that were always mechanical, always repetitive, always replaceable. The jobs that will survive, and the new ones being born, require something AI will never have: a human soul. The question is not, will AI take my job? The question is, am I doing a job that required a human soul in the first place? If the answer is no, you must change now, before the fire reaches your door. I want to tell you about 3 monks who lived in my monastery. The first monk copied ancient texts. Every day, beautiful handwriting, page after page after page. When the printing press arrived, he had nothing, his skill gone overnight. The second monk taught people to read those texts. When the printing press arrived, more people could read. More people needed teachers. His value doubled overnight. The third monk understood the wisdom inside those texts and taught people how to apply that wisdom to their lives. When the printing press arrived, the whole world could read the texts, but nobody knew what to do with them. His value multiplied 10 times overnight. AI is the new printing press. The first monk does the task. The second monk teaches the skill. The third monk holds the wisdom. AI will replace the first monk completely. AI will help the second monk work better. AI will never replace the third monk. Ask yourself right now, which monk are you? Here are the 5 ancient principles that will protect you in the age of artificial intelligence. Rule 1, develop human skills: leadership, empathy, communication, creativity, storytelling. These cannot be automated. They become more valuable as machines do everything else. A machine can write a report. Only a human can inspire a room. Invest in that skill immediately. Rule 2, own something. The safest position in any economic storm is ownership. Own a business, own investments, own real estate, own your audience. An employee can be replaced. An owner cannot be fired. Start building ownership today, even if it is small. Rule 3. Learn AI as a tool. The monk who feared the printing press lost. The monk who mastered it won. AI will not replace you, but a person who uses AI will replace you. Learn how to use these tools. Become the person who makes AI work rather than the person AI works against. Rule 4. Build multiple incomes. One job in 2026 is the most dangerous financial position you can hold. One employer, one income, one risk. If that job disappears, everything disappears with it. Build a second income this year, a third next year, even small ones, because 10 small rivers never run dry at the same time. Rule 5. Invest consistently. Here is the deepest truth about the AI economy. AI will make companies extraordinarily profitable. If you own shares in those companies, AI works for you, not against you. The machine that threatens your job can fund your retirement if you own a piece of it. Invest in index funds consistently every single month without fail, and let the AI revolution make you wealthy instead of making you obsolete. In my monastery, we have a saying, "The river does not mourn the rock it flows around. It simply flows around it." AI is not your enemy. It is a river, powerful, unstoppable, neutral. The rock in its path will be worn away. The boat that rides it will travel faster than any boat in history. The choice is whether you become the rock or the boat. 300 million jobs will change. That is true. But 300 million new opportunities will also be born. That is equally true, and almost nobody is talking about that. The monk who panics about the fire dies in it. The monk who studies the fire uses it to cook his meal. Start today. One skill, one investment, one small step toward ownership. The AI revolution is not coming. It is already here. And the wisest thing you can do is stop fearing it and start using it. I have watched every great revolution in human history from the silence of this monastery. Every single one destroyed some lives and created greater ones. The difference was never intelligence. It was never luck. It was always who moved first, who adapted first, who acted, while everyone else was still afraid. Be that person. Subscribe to Wealth-Born, ancient wisdom for a changing world. Every single week, the monk has spoken.